Welcome in High Voltage Engineering Lab. Today we are performing the experiment to measure dielectric strength of gaseous insulating material. Here we use air as a gaseous insulating material. Let's come let's come on control panel for this experiment. On this control panel, here we start switch, then we start this MCB. After that we start this main switch of this control panel. Here ST is off first, then we start mains on. This is ready position for our experiment. After that, there is, for experimental purpose, we start ST on, and these are the measuring device. Here we measure input voltage, here we measure output voltage, and here we measure leakage current. In this experiment we use two transformers. This is first transformer, this one is second transformer. Rating of each transformer is 230 volt input supply, output is 50 kVA. Here output is 50 kVA and leakage current is 100 milliampere. These two transformers connected in cascade manner. Here this is corona ring. Here this is corona ring having output is 100 kV. This output is connected to this spare gas gap assembly. Here two spare are used. This is first electrode, it is fixed electrode, and the second is movable electrode. It is made up by copper material and diameter of this spare is 100 mm. By using this moving ring, we increase the distance between two electrodes, and distance between these 2 points is now 20 mm. In this lab, every equipment should properly earth through this wire. Now we perform experiment. Now we perform the experiment. First we switch on the MCB, then here indicators are glow, then we start mains on. After that, to start ST on. Here our unit is ready to perform the practical. Then here two switch, one is ST increase and another one is ST decrease. By using ST increase, we gradually increase as per Indian standard. We gradually increase the input voltage by pressing this push button. Here you see the चल रहा है बेटा. Due to the breakdown occur between two electrode, copper electrode, the indicator is shown on control panel. This red indicate the breakdown occur. Trip indicate through this indicator button. Then we check the for hot voltage our breakdown occurs by using this push memory button and it show 40 kV breakdown occurs. After taking the reading, we push reset button and then ST is indicate that voltage high voltage is decreasing to 0 and after some time unit is ready for next experiment. Or once our unit is ready, we are repeat the reading for this. We increase the distance between two electrodes for different breakdown voltage. Then we calculate dielectric strength of gaseous insulating material by formula breakdown voltage to the distance between two electrodes.